Hey YouTube, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to do an unboxing and an install of a harness bar for a Honda Pioneer. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, let's get it going. Alright, so we got some instructions. Thank you for your purchase. The harness bar is designed to be installed with the bends of the harness forward facing the floor of the unit. You also need to unbolt the cage at the B-pillar on the passenger side to help the harness bar slide into place. After it is set in position, tighten all the bolts back up. Please be sure to use anti-seize. Let us know if you have any questions. Moses. Okay, so powder coating looks very nice. You got some Allen head screws, nice clamp. I forget the thickness of the tubing. I'll put it in the video right here. Let me go ahead and grab some tools. Alright guys, so I got the tools. I got my 3/16 T-handle. Got my 14mm ratchet, and of course some anti-seize. So let's go ahead and get this installed. So the first thing we're going to do is take all the bolts out. Got this side done. Again, if you look, even the powder coating on the inside is very nice. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this installed. Now if you remember, the bends go down. Let's feed this, feed this to the seat belt through, behind these seat belts. Get it in place. This side on. Put a little anti-seize on these. And I'm back. I went ahead, I finished up the install. I got all the tools cleaned up. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the final product. So the harness bar is 1.5" tubing that's 0.095 DOM, powder coated black. It's not an exact match to your roll cage. The roll cage is a little shinier, but it's a nice fit. It looks like it could come from the factory. You've got 4 bolts on either side, and then you need to loosen these on your roll cage. Don't forget to tighten those up when you're done. Other than that, it's 15 minutes. It's nice, it's a solid, it mounts right to the roll cage. It gives your roll cage a little bit of lateral rigidity. Other than that, I think it's a great product. The link to it is in the description down below. My next step is, do I get a 2-inch or a 3-inch harness? Let me know what you would do in the comments down below. If you got a good brand, you got a good deal, go ahead and put the links in there also. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you liked the video, and smash that subscribe button. Thank you, and until next time.